Plug.
What's up, boss? With the puffer, right?
Yeah.
How you been?
Chilling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's just go juice and shit right
All right. So, what size you want to try on?
now. Let me try the small first.
The small.
Yeah.
All right.
I know you be getting hella little shit, huh?
Uh huh. Yes, sir.
Shit, I'm gonna take off the hoodie real quick. I'm gonna see how.
All right, for sure. Or if you want to try on the smaller one, I got
Oh,
a.
is this? Oh, this is the medium.
No, this is the US small.
And it was that's a smaller one.
That's extra small. Yeah.
Oh, this shit.
You want to try this one? All right, for sure. All right, for sure.
There you go, bro. Actually, I didn't need change. Actually, I think I had 145.
Oh, you did? All right, that's cool. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I fuck with this one.
That's the extra small, right?
Yeah, I fuck with it.
Yeah, that's like perfect.
Oh, yeah, good looking, bro.
All right, for sure. You too, bro. You want the plastic bag or nah?
Shit, nah.
All right, mind if I take a picture?
Oh,
Real quick?
yeah, yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Have a good one, bro. Stay safe.